very good morning. Myself, Ami Varia, Assistant Professor of Microbiology from the Department of Microbiology at LJ Institute Applied Science. Today we are going to perform serological diagnosis of enteric fever by Vidal slide test. For any serological test, we have to collect serum sample from infected patient. For the collection of serum sample, the blood sample is collected in empty sterile glass test tube. The blood sample is then allowed to clot it down after its collection. After clotting of blood sample, the blood sample is centrifuged at 2000 to 3000 rpm centrifugal force for separation of pale yellow liquid that is known as serum. Generally that is used for any antigen antibody serological reactions. For the Vidal test, that is the serological diagnosis of enteric fever. This test is used for diagnosis of Salmonella group of organism. They are the main cause of enteric fever in the patient. The serum sample from the patient is collected after onset of typhoid fever. After generally that period is 1 week. Generally 7 days are after this disease. The serum sample of the infected patient is collected. Then it is tested against the commercially available antigens. They are antigen O, antigen H, antigen AH and antigen BH. The antigen H, that is flagellar antigen, and antigen O, that is the somatic antigen. The Vidal test is performed by slide test, that is qualitative test, that is also known as the Dreyer's method. The second method for knowing the antibody titer of the patient is the double dilution tube test. We are going to perform slide test by Dreyer's method. For that we require the commercially available Vidal slide test kit, that is containing antigen O, antigen H, antigen AH and antigen BH and serum sample. Also we required the glass slide that is available in Vidal kit. First of all, take a glass slide, conform the marks of different circles. They are O, H, AH and BH. Put a drop of serum sample on all 4 circles. They are prior labeled O, H, AH and BH respectively. Add a drop of antigen O in the circle labeled as O, antigen H in the H labeled circle, antigen AH in the AH labeled circle, antigen BH in the BH labeled circle. Be careful when you are adding antigen. Mix the bottle properly before adding the antigen into the serum sample. Mix the serum sample with the antigen with the help of applicator stick that is available in the Vidal slide test kit. Mix the serum and antigen properly. Tilt it for 1 to 2 minutes for antigen antibody reaction to occur. Observe for the formation of clumpings. See, here we can observe clumps in the all four circles. They are labeled as antigen O, antigen H, antigen AH and antigen BH. If the slide test is positive, report for the tube test. If the slide test is positive, report for the tube test and draw your conclusion. Thank you.